The question is industrial consumption of power doubled from 2001 to 2010 to 2011. Find the annual rate of increase in the percentage of the power. So here we can easily see that consumption of power becomes doubled. That means if initially the consumption is X, then in some time the final consumption becomes double, that means 2x. Now how much time it takes in order to double its consumption from 2000 to 2010? Either you consider these two, either you consider these two. So there are 10 years in between them. So in 10 years the consumption becomes double. Now we have to find the rate of increase. So whenever there is a rate of increase or rate of depreciation etc., you use again the formula of percentage or compound interest 1 plus r by 100 to the power t. Now this amount becomes 2x, this becomes x, 1 plus we have to find this rate of interest and time becomes 10. Okay. So in this way, so now we have to solve this equation. From here we get 2 is equal to 100 plus r over 100 to the power 10. So it becomes 2 to the power 1 by 10 is equal to 100 plus r over 100. So, or we can write in this way 1 plus r by 100 as it is. So now it becomes 2 to the power 1 by 10 minus 1 into 100 is equals to r. When you solve with the help of your calculator 2 to the power 1 by 10, it becomes 0.07. 1.07 minus 1 into 100. Okay. So it becomes 0.07 into 100 is equal to r. That means r is approximately 7%. So our option becomes B.